Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to the channel Patente Be in Tree. Ebusuafo mechiachia mu nyinaa na minim sɛ Yesu Kristo na adom mu nyinaa obi ho yɛ. Teacher nyame adom me nso so me ho yɛ paa. Ɛnɛ nso so yɛbisua deɛ na Italian driving lessons, very simple. The secret of this driving license, the consistency. Say ubenya mre na watu boase na wasua de no. Uhwe videos na uye quizzes. That is the secret of this patente. Enti bomodin say at least every single day ube create some time ama ho na watimi ahwe videos again. As I want to be biasia na da ebishia no wabusa a question na metimi throw more light at the amount. Enti enen so yebetoa edisuane so na ye sha free passaggi a livelli. Passaggi a livelli. Level passage. Level passage. Now, you can say level passage a junction train it chem for your coin so. It is a junction between a train and we the drivers with our vehicles. We say junction and train it cha your coin mo. A friend passaggi a livelli. That is level passage. Very simple and easy. It is also image na that's now. Who say junction in the it's a junction. And on a junction you will train tracks a chimfa junction so. It is a bus a train a chimwa. Na barriers we a block a coin say the beer cars intimi enchimunko. Say train ebitwam. It is very simple. I can say level passage. And I say passaggi a livelli. A junction train it cha your coin. Very simple and easy. Now, say ube drew level passage this one. There are some signals ube and sana wardrobe junction so. O share a form where on the carriagata no. Won't you watch PL passaggio a livello. Na experience eden finfin. And now who say this sickness no and so what say who drew passaggio a livello no so. Now Emran say we have 3 types of passaggio a livello. Yeah. We have 3 types of passaggio a livello. Now, the first one, your friend, passaggio a livello con barriera. Passaggio a livello con barriera. That is a level passage with barriers. Also, say on the junction, say a kobase train, every chem after junction so there is a barriers we know. A bed block a quino. Say the beer cars be a inch mumfa so. Say train enche nebi chema for junction so. Barriers we know a block quino. Say the beer say uchi bicycle ho, say uchi motor ho, say uchi car ha, udru ha ubejina. Say anytime train ebit mechem afa junction so. And I say quino so. Say the beer there won't be any accident. Tefreno, passaggio a livello con barriera. And now, this is the signal indicating passaggio a livello con barriera. Now, the second one also Tefreno, passaggio a livello con semi-barriere. Passaggio a livello con semi-barriere. Next, it's a level passage with semi barriers. Now, you can say semi barriers are. Say it is a half barriers. Let's say se train no ebe twem afa junction so a barriers na e block kwan no. En block kwan ni nyina na emum e block kwan no only half of the road. Enti barriers no eye semi barriers ese something partial en block kwan ni nyina e block kwan to the half. Now, to the share image we no. Un say ye wo Kerejata no ha. Ena ye wo junction no because train track ni a e fa ye kwan no so nti e junction. Now, barriers no un say en block all the Kerejata no. It does not block the entire Kerejata. A block to the half of the Kerejata. Ena other side no barriers no a block to the half of the Kerejata. Ti a block kwan mu edikosi mfimfin. Enti there's a space in between the two barriers. Enti a kwan da two barriers will enter. But the man say so far as barriers no close a kwan no. Say close no full or partial. Na half. Untimi emfa mfimfin na unko. Ena signal indicate passaggio a livello con semi barriere no. It's the same signal indicate con barriere. And you only one signal indicate two of the level passage. Shadie. Unse first one here passaggio a livello con barriera. We need to say the train e betwem afa kwan so a barrier no e close e kwan ni nyina. E be close the entire road. Ke bia entimi entwemu mfa so. Ji say barrier no ebie. And now this is the signal indicating passaggio a livello con barriera. It's the same signal indicating passaggio a livello con semi barriere. It is a barriers no say close to the entire road no and I say half of the road. It has the same signal. It has the same signal. And now the last one no if no passaggio a livello senza barriere. It's a level passage without barriers. Until we don't have any protections, any barriers are a block kwano. See, for example, where an example, it is a bus train in between one, of course. Who drew hobia, you will traffic light to her a best red amount. But what you say, you need barriers be a block kwano. It's a train air bar. That's almost a red light now. It was so dinner. So when you answer trim, that's a 3 knee. That's at that moment, the train is also passing there. Let's say there will be an accident. Into where level passenger is without any barriers, no protections. Into no signal no way. On the triangle signal we know. A mouth draw train and cassa a fin. To when it say level passage we know is without any barriers. Enti debi anusha yahwe. What you saying no? Mississippi. We have 3 types of level passage. The first one, if you know, passaggio a livello con barriera. Nese se train e betwemwa. Barriers we know. Ebe block kwan no. Ebe block kwan ni nyina. Untimi emfa ba bia entwem. Jese barriers no ebie. And your passaggio a livello con semi barriere. Say barriers na was our junctions no. Ebe block only half of the road. Only half. It is outside we know. Barriers are blocked to the half. Other side no are blocked to the half. It acquired them fin. And also say acquired them fin there which my affirm they won't be film. Once barriers are blocked quite there. Also na signal no the crop signal na indicate con barriere no and one is indicate con semi barriere and the last one no the friend no passaggio a livello senza barriere. E cioè se level passage without barriers. Ti sa junction we there. Yeni barriers bia air block kwan no. Se da bia cars be intimi ntwam. Se ko ba se train air ba. Ti now. Enti afi yenra mu yi one at a time. Now, to the first one, passaggio a livello con barriere. Level passage with barriers. When your barriers are a bit blocko a quine na, Sirabia, Kerbia intimi inchem emphaso. Se Kobase train air bar. Now, Timran say a Kobase udru passaggio a livello. Now say our barriers are. This is the signal. Road signal. Ebe indicate say passaggio livello ewo barriers. What you say? Say the full barriers and answer half barriers. Udu ha obehu. It this signal show say level passage no ewo barriers. Now the traffic light na ewo no one fixed red light. And this say normal traffic light na ema red, yellow and green there be. So do level passenger. The traffic light no. The aircon barrier no. There were only one fixed red light. To be say red light in aso. Now for the barrier so so dey close to a kwan no. Say there be a cars be intimi nko because enche na train no e betwem. And now we say signal we so ho. And now this panel, your friend no panelli this is symmetry. Panelli this is a metric. Now, chiraw meters are akawa ubedru junction so. And I say meters akawa ubedru train track so. Now, unse panels we know. First one we know, ye were 3 red lines. Chire 150 meters. And a second one no, e were 2 red lines. Chire 100 meters. And last one, there were only one red line, actually 50 meters. Now, because say this dangerous signals, ubehuno 150 meters, and sana what drew danger and so. Eti debiano sa dangerous signal we know. I will level passage no debiano. Amode panel where a water lines no any boom any sifakun. Because in na say a cow 150 meters. No drew level passage no eso. Ena when barriers na a be close to kwano. Ena most of the times say a kobase red light no eso. Na say barriers no block kwano. Ubete sound be ewo around. At times ena no ewo homa sebi. How more or more in one dear no. Say Kobase, we are blinder, red light no and as a barriers no air close to Kanwa, Entiana sound be so able, and only call it the attention of or more sebi or more in one than said bia. What is sound na be say okay, maybe a metro no level passage. Enche, now train ebitwem, enti red light no aso, and a barriers no block close to kwano. To what is sound no na wajina. And these are some of the materials and now signals ubehu se ben passaggio a livello con barriere. Tima refi say there was only one fixed red light con barriere no. Now, we example. Unse we passaggio a livello con barriere. It is a barriers we know. A sequence na it has blocked the entire road. To say, omo muchu bicycle ni na no, omo no bi agina. Se wo uchi bicycle, se wo nantio, se wo uchi moto, se wo uchi car, whatever. Barriers no, e sequence ni na, to untimi for bia enchem. And I will say the traffic light no, only one fixed red light. Now fi munya magina, now fi say aka 2 minutes so, say aka 3 minutes so, time bia ka bia na train so ide abesin akọ. You be ha e block ya na train eba ebi nso eche kakra de also yɛ say red light ni so na sɛ barriers no esi kwan no a also gyina sɛ obegyina for 10 minutes o sɛ yɛ for 5 minutes o sɛ for 2 minutes o also gyina sɛ na bia train no ebetwim akɔ train no kɔ a afei no barriers no bebie na red light no so edum na motim akɔ. Afei yemra passaggio a livello con semi barriere. Now the esesa every barriere any semi barriere no a red no traffic light no ena barriere no because the signal no dey at the crow ena this panel no so no and also is hosa bon say this panel na what 3 red lights no there bia no any signal no ena esi baby faako because nimenu nyina no kire se aka 150 meters no aduru train track ne so and that's a junction ne so. Now say passaggio a livello con semi barriera traffic light no 2 flashing red light I can due rosse lampeggiante enye one fixed light view. Se kobas semi barrier dia traffic light no 2 flashing red light. One say na flashy 2 red flashing light. To due luce rosse lampeggiante. Sane in Italian. Due rosse lampeggiante. Let's say 2 flashing red lights. Now, the image way. We say sa junction passaggio a livello con semi barriere. Now barriers we know a block a kwan to only to the half of the road. In see kwan na a see kwan to the half of the road. And then I'm say bia train no no where the we mu ye or more TSC another lane mo afa barriers ni finfin no mako. Say you choose here, or driving license subscribe, bit my GF because there's a reason here. Barriers no, it be a close to a quaning now, and it be a close to the half. So far as a quite them fin and say, wait for Finfiaco, a chew, South Carolina, Umuta your budget, and a 2 or driving licenses, who bit my risk it, who bit my GF San say, we know a very dangerous. Because who nim time our train neighbor. Ekobasa who for 50. That's a training so to her. A bit terrible. A bit terrible. And now, image way. We say barriers no a block only to the center of the carreggiata. Until a sequano half. And the other side no barrier no a block quino to the half. 50 no a them. And just say ubet ma from 50 could be. And I won't say signal no anyway no. And na se no on this panel 3 red lights no e was no. Ti say from this signal to the junction no akawo 150 meters. Enti wo ko anim no na wo this panel na ya o ma draw 2 red lines no. E kire say afedie se wo drew panel we enchen a wo dey call junction so aka only 100 meters. Na afi oku anima wako the last panel omo draw only 1 red light. So say afi from this panel to the junction no aka 50 meters into no yahuye. Ena traffic light no unse nam say ye semi barrier into no ewo 2 flashing red light enye fix e 2 flashing red light. That's it. Alternatively, as a short nedum, a flashing red light. Now for the yaba last one, if you know passaggio a livello senza barriere. Passaggio a livello senza barriere. And we level passenger in need protections biya any barriers biya ebesi kwan no se base train ebetwa mu a enti emra ne say enam se sa last one we no aye friend no Passaggio a livello sense barrier no enam se no dangerous no nti no na any barriers no now I was say ekwan bia so no omudi sa Croce di Santa Andrea we no esi junction no enchen ho serebe ya yibe hu train track no ne dodo a eye now signal indicate Passaggio a livello sense barrier no eye this triangle signal o ma draw train ankasa inside won say where signal we na o ma draw train ankasa inside e kire say level passage we no any barriers bia any protections enti ya hwe enti ena obehu sa paneli this is a metric we no enso sa no enti the first one what 3 red lines no obehu say we na sin kire say aka 150 meters enti uko wanim no na wahu panel we a only 2 red lines no na aka kire say aka 100 meters wordry junction so now when the last one with only 1 red line na aka kire say afi there aka 50 meters ena sense barrier no so no junction no so no the traffic light no due luce rosse lampeggiante enu see 2 flashing red light enye one fix there be 2 flashing red light. The traffic light no it is say same barrier no what you say enti we ne die enam say barriers bie ni ho a si kwan nti no e wo say omode Croce di Santa Andrea we no esi hobby see be ya be hu train track no the quantity e dodo a e wo ho timra ne say ekobase udru level passage sensor barrier unse se wo hwe we a we no any protections bia any barriers bia and I'm here from where I trade PL and Tikacho say a level passage. Now, once any signal no ya draw train triangle ni and a see panel we so Tikacho say if we free signal way any panel no a what they call junction so aka 150 meters what do junction so into we call him no we who this panel no ya draw only 2 red lines. A catcher will say, Affidie, what do had here? 100 meters. What do junction so? Tis a uchem ko anima. No one with the last panel with only 1 red line. Now catcher will say, Affidie, if we have echo junction so no, 50 meters. Now, traffic light in so no. Amode Croce di Santa Andrea. St. Andrew's Cross. Now, and Rani say, so who say amodi 2 esi ho a catch or say train track no more than 1. It's either say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so drew level passage junction so now say train tracks no 20 cra sa St. Andrew's Cross no amodi 2 ne besi ho who 2 actually say train tracks no more than 1. It's 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity. Nekobase, omode 1 pesi hodia. Na a catch will say train tracking 1 pe. Tinam say any barriers no. Or so may who how danger this junction is. Say be who the quantity of binaria a what junction is so. To say we dey 1, 2. 80 binary no more than 1. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4 or more than that. And obviously the traffic light no 2 flashing red light. T one say a sonnetum alternatively. What you say alternatively. Until when you no panelli this is symmetric. Until now, we say you were three red lines, you will 2 red lines, and you will 1 red line. To show the distance, akawa, we drew junction so into 150 meters, 100 meters, and 50 meters. What does it know? Panel con 3 strisce lines. And now normally that the first one now a 3 red lines there be and then the general signal and is if because na 150 meters into a boom is if and then the whole 2 lines 100 meters and now the last one is 50 meters. What you are saying, obviously, say who drew level passenger, un signale acoustico, intino, one say, obete sound be ho, sound no, any time ma omwa, say be mu huadi, and say the out sound we are say no, what bang, level passenger, by the asino, close to quino. And as I say, by the asin hoklana, also say red lights in Aswa, also be a igna. Una luce rosa fisa. C'est il passaggio a livello è con barriere. Ci se kobase level passage è con barriere dia. Ube say traffic light è only one fixed light. Le koye semi barriere. Anase sense barriere dia. The light è 2 luci rosse lampeggianti. 2 luci rosse lampeggianti. Next è 2 red flashing light. Rallentare e fermarsi se accendono le luci rosse. E se udru level passage se è con barriere, semi barriere, another sense barriere. There's a traffic light. It's a traffic light once are so red also original. So here we are. We a passaggio a livello con barriere. Ain't never only one fixed red light. Also original. What you say? E now sui binari e le vicinanza sono vietate la fermata o la sosta. Untimi empa che o ka ewo train track so. E na untimi nyina so so. E na o ben ho so a untimi park wo because a dangerous junction. Train etwemfa ye kwan so ntino enye ba bia a obetima parke anase wagina da bi untimi enye side ewo ho ena emrane se ekobase utwem afa train track no so nas accidentally o car sesi so a ebetima happen se utwem afa so a ebia na okan wo fault be fault ni betima yi ne ho ti se koba se okan no say esi binary so a emran say but modern biere say at least okan ne de obetima pia free ho anase mo bi emetwe kan free ho ye hia ne say train no emedru ho no na okan no ensi binary no so ne se koba se okan wuntimi mpia anase obi ani ere mu ha obebo no pia fast na no say bombo ne say ube free police for na train station so no ube inform wo mo sira bia ekobase train bi eba o make ma catch train driver na wagina kopem say emergency no make me ye free ho. What you say? It was say the last one was say in presenza del segnale raffigurato se il veicolo si ferma per avaria sui binari. To say in the presence of this certificate, if the vehicle remains, per case avaria, just a fault, and I say problem. So if your vehicle remains or stops on the binary because of a fault, avaria, il conducente deve adottare ogni iniziativa utile al fine di evitare incidenti. And as a driver, no, you have to adapt initiatives. We don't just say, also only BB, something useful. Avoid the accident. And how can you do that? Try to call people in the area. Try to obey you kind of free ho because o can it says binary so na say one free police one can chill mo went my inform train station no any moment train beti maba train so ba no ehu se car esiso a omo braking system no enye fast to say your normal car no so case go brake kra na wan hwe a o be bo car no to try to do something useful at least no obe prevent an accident. I just say intini tinemran say for example say o twi car e wo kwan so what I say na say o ben level passage na say who say there's too much traffic train track no don't occupy unless say we are aware say ufaswa ubetime twam ansana ebia e ba say train e ba na say barriers e boko kwan no a enka wo car no what I say na say ko ba say me fan say one calculation ye traffic ewu ena udru train track ne so traffic achill ena ojina so ehonu a na red light na so na barriers ne so no si kwan no a emran say bo modern say o car no ubepia se mpo se wo pia na se wa sei barriers ne kwan na ye ne sa enti wetimi kura apia na wabu barrier no ato baby no you can free binary ne so obviously later no if a police will ba umuta de kakra de obeji but the idea is say a man train emeto o kan say ejina the track ne so since say train beto a ono de odbebom because ontimi have time enyina odbebom enti say o car SSC binary so and answer if there was too much traffic na ujina so and accidentally no you know barriers no e block and e kan wo shin finfin a ekwa bia so no say opia o car no kra na dey na wo break barriers no say there bia train track no e so be free what you say there bia e so be free ena ma refi say passaggio a livello no sense barriere no eye de any barriers bia no timransi enti eno de there must be Santa de Croce Andrea St Andrews Cross so there bia e be che binane dodo a ewo ho it is a share say image we a won say cross no air one they can show say e only one binary a train air faso so ko won say e two here also kire say e more than one it can be two it can be three it can be four but we dey two tie wo 1 2 ti ya hwe say ni protections bi a e be block kwan no na ejina wo so we are there only one cross into binary air one way air 2 ti binary no air 2 air 3 air 4 or more than that so we are say we no air passaggio a livello sense barriere enti traffic light no air 2 flashing red light do want say e so ha na edum na so ha na edum na e flashes and now say eye sense barriere enti no omode St Andrews Cross esiho we one penny here e kire say train track eye one pe no barriers ti dey bia na e wo say ye ahwe afi yemra attraversamento tranviario ye kase attraversamento tranviario eno so kire tram crossing nti eno so in a way a junction a ye ne tram ene use junction no se tram no se otwa ye kwan mu se oni use ekwan no eye tram crossing train crossing no ene ye passaggio a livello no we ye attraversamento tranviario You can say tramviario. You are talking about a tram tracks. To a tram crossing. Now, some of the cities, who say, tram no, among cars and use the same carriagata, use boom. To a tram. And now, onam the binary so. Tihadie, tram no, o use carriagata nankasa, on a cars and a boom. Na cars and no, on which my far tram track and so. Some say they are using the same carriagata. To a friend, attraversamento tranviario. We are tram crossing. So o try kwan mu so nam kwan so eye attraversamento tranviario. To so share signal we are. One say signal na bo hono. Attraversamento tranviario. Now, one say dangerous signals no. So one signals na e kire say danger no ewo wanim 150 meters. Now, one so mode panel we abo ase a 30 meters. Into a culture say they have modified the meters to get to the tram crossing. And with these two signals, and you 150 meters view. It from this signal with this panel, to where we have the tram crossing, and you 150 view, name 30 meters. Pacho muoho. Emrano, obeti me a modify signal at any time. Senka you only this signal in the air. Can catch or say from this signal to where we have the tram crossing, you have 150 meters. But or the panel about 130 to a catch or say, and you 150 view, name attention, what by whom pa 30 meters into Yahweh. Now, two signals until anytime will be a general signal, any panel will be a most of the times, or mouse modification be now when you are so 150 30 meters, sans say 30 number. Yes, a weapon every Yahweh. And now, Timran say, can't attraversamento tranviario. You ma who do me, you know. Ye tram tracks are, and no, can't be me emphasis. I say, tram no, or on one special area, there is a vama tram on and if you know, sede propria. And you sede promiscua. Actually say that area na tram and I'm hono, and you know one and I'm ho. Other vehicles so and I'm hubi. Omun na bum no moko. Enti tram tracks no, and I say tram crossing no. Either say a sede propria. Let's say area tram no kwan and I'm ho. And I say sede promiscua. A area tram no or other vehicles a use the same carriagata and omoko. What you say? Enti, for example, say, sa image we obviously sa carriagata we know, and as area we know. A friend no say de promiscua, and your area a year for tram on Kwan debi cast so echo, omunina ekobum, omunina ekobum. Any of dear tram on Kwan air share area no. On a cast and kumu, on one nation. So, here image we are. Once a signal is hono. And in Nippon was here. So, shall say, from this signal to the tram crossing, 150 meters. And that tram no, on nam carriagata so to win on a sede promiscua. On the cast no muno kobum. Hamuna omu ekobum. And as the omukobom no, and at times when accident etesi, san say tram ni kwa cars no so ekobom. This one ya here, bones na accident I the esi. Tena accident esi tram any cars, sense mun na ekobom niti no. Say ulusu watention abon say na there will be a crash. Today biano, I will say a huye kakra. I just say to wait ye tram in the one cars omu kobo ti yemra Italian aspect. Say attraversamento tranviario si trova 150 metri prima di un attraversamento del tram. Sa signal we no ube hunu 150 meters and sana what do tram crossing so. And I'm say dangerous signal nti no. Rallentare e fermarsi se arriva il tram. Ade ba ko amika ne say se uhu any dangerous signal. The first thing I was about him say and I'm say signal no is talking about danger nti no. I also slow down. Because once slow down there, a very easy say ube crash. And I say you'll be involved in that danger. Inti rallentare say slow down. Fermarsi say stop. Se arriva il tram sia da destra che da sinistra. Inti say slow down and stop. If the tram is arriving, either from the right or from the left. She said, tram no say free bonkum na eba wo. Say free nifa na eba wo. So far as who say eba no, slow down. Netina matram enko. So say emran say car bia wo ne tram ehia e wo say wo gina na tram ekwansa. San emran ka. Emran say si deve dare la precedenza al tram. Se wo twika na wo hia tram e kwan so a emran say tram in the coffers. Tram in the coffers. Say if free bonkum na eba wo. Say free nifa na eba wo. Say who say tram eba gina na ono any kan kwansa. Unless they say a kwan na onam so no tram e won the traffic light a man no red a ogina. Yes I dey say munya mbom na mo kwode a tram in the coffers answer. To say se la macchina frena sulle rotaie. Ye case rotaia e train track no e binari. Ti omu yusi da binari and I say rotaie e the crop. Se la macchina frena sulle rotaie può scivolare. To say if the vehicle stop on the binari on the track, the vehicle can slip off. And okay, now once a metallic object no any grip. Enti se wu twika na se especially kran so ato a obo se sa binary no e na so ayetro. Enti ekwan na tram ene cars ekobom no bo modern se unyina ewo train track no so se o ka se unyina wo so a ebetimi apaw po shivulare ebetimi apaw hanti eya modern se ubeta ejina wo tram binary so chance betimi apaw to say la macchina frena ti say o kan ugina ewo so a Porsche volare betimi apaw. What does it? To say si deve sempre dare la precedenza al tram. Or say we must always give the right of way to tram. We must always give the right of way to tram. What is precedenza? A right of way. Let's say when the coffers. Se because mame precedenza, e say mame kwana min coffers. Ti man say emre biano e wo say ma kwan na tram in the coffers. Adentia o say perché il tram si muove su rotaie e non può cambiare la sua direzione per evitare ostacoli. And one of the reasons here e wo say the biano yigina ne ma tram e ko ne say o say if you say tram no o circulate ewo binary so tram o circulate wo binary so ena ontimi ensesa the direction no se ko ba say if there should be an emergency and I say an obstacle ontimi sesa no. For example yen fa ne say sa car we no accidentally asay esi so binary no so it is a tram we no or ba na so be hu se car no asesi so a ono no the track on namso no enye easy say obetima sesama enti so hu say obstacle bi so a ono ntimi nya hwe break the obebo but the break no enche once ti de be yanse e ba be hwe kan mu ko tram no enti say ye normal cars a Ultimate sisa or direction at once. And I wouldn't break so working at once there be. That's one of the reasons here. Say car any tram Asia or say map tram any canco. Sans on a binary so. And they cobase baby esiswa. And yes, say with master send direction. No. So another binary ya. Obe manage. But only binary one pa. Won't me break the overbo bet. I can't be rubbish. And now 2. Perifermasi chimpiega cinque volte di più di un auto veicolo. Now, emrane se kobase tram no omia na se otia brake so se odina. The space na ohia so begina no e 5 times more than a normal cars. O se uchu car na se even po obstacle bu wani ma otia brake no so a e na o kan ni gina ntem. Enti tram ne de space na here no 5 times more than a car. Tina I will say the biano yema kwan tram edikan echo. Now, I say si può sorpassare a destra il tram. Now, omote busa sa questions we our official exams no. And our quizzes no. If we talk about overtaking now, entity pa now. Emran say, who say Italy Mran ankasa say base who you overtaking now. I will say overtaking no, who use the left lane no. By the law no. So we say you overtaking now. You use the left lane. And Emran esa say, but there are some cases over to me I overtaken by using the right lane. By the law, a left lane. But in some cases, overtaking by using the right lane. How is that possible? It's very simple. Timran say, si posso passare a destra il tram. You can overtake tram on the right. Quando è in movimento, se c'è lo spazio necessario. If the train is moving and you have the enough space on the right, and when they say overtaking is possible on the right hand side of tram. She said tram etu na ekwa. Na se wudi na chi na se ebi a tram na enko faster. Na be so you overtaking na. Na say tram no etu a ekọ nti no. Ekoba say the right hand side no. Owo enough space and when they say etu a ekọ nti no. Na owo enough space nti no. Ubetimi overtaking on the right hand side of tram. 2 was say quando è fermo per la salita e discesa dei passeggeri solo se c'è il servagente. Now, what about the tram no ejina? And also which may overtaking our right now. And man say ane the our condition. Now, and man say ekobase a tram no ejina. Na say a drop passengers. And I say a picky passengers are. So ekobase tram ni jina. Na say will be a friend of Salvagenta. Unse sa roadway no on. Esai bus stop. Emma buses. And esai tram stop. And it say tram no ejina. Na say a drop passengers. And I say a take passengers are. Se kobase e wo Salvagenta dia. Cars a bit me aye overtaking on the right hand side of a tram. Say ejina. Nemo say any servagente bia na say ejina say pick passengers and I say a drop more but taking no also on the left. So say on the right there must be bibia nipa be jina so. Say omo twen say omo friend so musi but unso ho image we are servagente bia ni ha enti car uni ho kwan say and as a driver uni ho kwan say overtaking tram on the right. Say say what servagente be anyhow. You also overtaking now. Also the call on the left. Nemo say ejina na say what this servagente dia any. You wait to overtaking ewo on the right. Into the two cases in say ekobase tram ni air kwa. Na say wo enough space or right overtaking air possible. Na ebase ejina na say was servagente dia. And I'm say ejina na was servagente niti no. Overtaking air possible on the right. Nemo say any servagente dia na ejina untimi overtake on the right since ejina no enkofo ACB fro we say who overtake on the right ube crash wo ti sa no ube kon on the left sa no ube kon on the left afa yemra attraversamento pedonale guys, very simple and easy. Attraversamento pedonale echere zebra crossing when say baby a nipa itwa ekwan mu no ye fa twa kwan mu no ye fa zebra crossing so ti bon say ekwan no efom no na say on the surface no bon this striche say o ma draw ho a echere baby a ye nante so ni ntwa kwan no now the dangerous signal indicating zebra crossing no this triangle signal. So who triangle signal we are and chese we drew ho e bon kan say aka 150 meters na we drew zebra crossing no eso enti cars bia mu twem bia no munya hweyi san say at 150 meters there could be pedestrians crossing the road. Now am I ready to say in this patent no you two signals are ni menu nyina no indicate zebra crossing. Now this first signal na a triangle no is under pericolo, and as this blue square no so no it is under indicazione. Ni menu nyina e zebra crossing. Now the differences and say the distance no baby abehu signal no. Now say oh yeah aben zebra crossing na ubedi can hu this triangle signal catch us say as a driver ya hwe say wonim no enche obedu zebra crossing no so ena wonya kodru ho a ena be hu this blue square no enti ya the crow the whole difference any distance no ubedi can hu triangle signal we no ansana ukodru zebra crossing ho na wa hu this blue square no catch us say afede wodru enti se nkofo twam a gina na wo mu twam. So here we are. We say, obehu triangle signal no. Na catch you say, unya ndru ho aka 150 meters. To unya ko dru ho dia, no hu sa blue square we no. It's under indicazione. Na cho sa afide wodru ho ti no. Say e ba se nkofo twam bia, momu twam. Timrane say, attraversamento pedonale, pedestrian crossing, and I say zebra crossing at the crow. Now, a 150 metri. Check on attraversamento pedonale. Enti at 150 meters, there is a pedestrian crossing or zebra crossing. Enti as a driver no, rallentare e fermarsi se arrivano pedoni. Enti slow down and stop if pedestrians are approaching or pedestrians are crossing. Now, and man say on this zebra crossing no. You will nyoma ahodio mensa we a driver I will say because say udru zebra crossing na say nkofo twam na wa mama ntwam na say utwam faster na say achiwa ube lose points on your driving license se non ti fermi ti tolgono I punti della patente se when nyina no wa man the right of way ama pedestrians entwam na say achiwa umutade the first na unsabeka muterechi no ube lose points on your driving license now sono vietati tre cose. There are three forbidden things no men say bo ha untimi nye no so we say la sosta e parking. Of course guys, how can you park your car on zebra crossing? It doesn't make sense. Where do I park your car or zebra crossing? Won't me? You will have fermata. Because the fermata just say ujina. Let's say u drop obi and I say you are giving a lift. Won't me enina e so. So say obi beso chema. Obi blokono. And now the last one will say sorpassare un veicolo che si è fermato per far passare un pedone. Imran say untimi enye overtaking e car. So Sa can ejina say enkofo ntwam. Because it can be say getting to the zebra crossing, you will be the second vehicle. Kebi wonim. She say once the kind of wonim wajina, it has a motive. There should be something to your kind of jina. She said, can ejina say enkofo ntwam. Wona we the second driver no. Woni who can say you overtaking on the first car because he na woko. Ono ejina will be ntwam. Yes, also okwa. We are going to hit the people crossing. Enti evitato la sosta, la fermata ena sorpassare un veicolo che si è fermato per far passare un pedone. You are forbidden to overtake a vehicle, stopping to give the right of way or stopping to let pass pedestrians. So image we are to win a pericolo de te catch or say unyan home after ubedruso tino yahuye na wanim no 150 meters zebra crossing wanim ti na yaba attraversamento ciclabile eno so ye cyclist crossing. Principles no the same as zebra crossing. Now so I share a form hono for the cyclist crossing eno lines no I say dot either say straight and I say diagonal. To say na on the floor no and I say quite so ma draw cyclist crossing no and I wo pericolo signal ho and I wo indication signal ho. The difference is the distance what do you say to win catch or say I can 150 meters no do cyclist crossing begin to slow down. Now almost a cyclist HMA give them the right of way no munko. So here we are. We say pericolo de edikan. Na catch will say still na wonim 150 meters. If you could do so no one indication de no. HS afi de wodru ti say almost obi twam de a gina na mamu entwam. At times na omudi zebra crossing any cyclist crossing kra ebom baby faako. To won say pedestrian de no ewo on the left. Now cyclists then on the right. It can be in any position. So here image we now cyclists they are going against the law because of say omu HM ewo zebra crossing, but also mo fa side ha na ye cyclist crossing. What you say? And now Emran say it's the same procedure. To say who's our signal we are. Acham 50 metri. C'è un attraversamento ciclabile. Rallentare e fermarsi. Se arrivano ciclisti, to whom say that we catch or say, when you know 150 meters, slow down and stop if you see cyclists approaching or crossing. And at the same thing, sono vietati tre cose. Io non mi insano untumi ende, la sosta, la fermata, sorpassare un veicolo che si è fermato per far passare un ciclista. Untimi pake oka, ewo cyclist crossing so. Untimi now so, and I untimi overtake car what na say cyclist entwam and it's going to me end it. It is the same as the zebra crossing. Now yenye last signals now for yenye quiz kakra yewo discesa pericolosa ena salita rapida. Discesa pericolosa tichira say ekwan no esane. Next there's a downhill. And you salita rapida. Next over people. Next a quino ecostro. Naninian ehu. Next a coform dodo. And I say a mupejadodo. Now, in the official exams, we have questions on this signal. Very, very simple. One of the questions is say, say, it is segnale raffigurato. Indica una discesa pericolosa and I say salita rapida. Say no. Question is say ubede one who say sa signal we no a discesa and I say salita. Downhill and I say uphill. I will say event BB. Now the emission number no and a percentage no. First one we say percentage no ewo number no asia before no discesa. And I say percentage no Our number no so a be find salita very simple. But say wo kwa foforo bia obetimi dey identify so a eno so ye. If sickness ni pa. What's the first one no? Percentage no e wo 10 no ase kakra. And I say e wo form e chen 10 no. Say e wo form a mem no me hu ni say e di shazer. And I heard the second one na percentage no e wo esro chen 10 no. Nti enu e salita. That is how as a teacher me dey identify the shazer and salita. Me share percentage no. Say wo e form chen 10 na e di shazer. E wo sro chen 10 na e salita. Very simple and easy. The ancient say with the shazer periculosa. That's a dangerous downhill. To example, on say ti ekwan no isaneko from now. Sanya no e dangerous e hu ti no. They be na ahwe ne slow down. Na vigilant. Chenu 50 metri. Che wona the shazer periculosa. Ti man say who say signal we are, I can't show say still na 150 meters and see what do downhill no eso. La pedenza è del 10%, cioè ogni 100 metri di strada si abbassa di 10 metri. Now, se ha 10% we na kasa ne chere say. Ti emran say when say adie eko fomo a anase e basura e fe no slope. Because I didn't slope here, either say it's an ecofon and I say a frobasuro, a sloping. In Italian, you cannot pedenza. To say la pedenza è del 10%. Nese the sloping no è 10%. I actually say every 100 meters piano, a quino, a cofom 10 meters. Nese only 100 meters. That's every 100 meters biano. A quino, a form 10 meters. Now, you name how calculate, but just know say 10% interest say the slope, you know. The slope 10%. Let's say every 100 meters biano. A quino form 10 meters. Okay. And I'm saying dangerous, you know. Always know. Rallentare per non tamponare I veicoli davanti. To slow down in order not to crash. You can't say tamponare, it's say to crash or to hit. I veicoli davanti. And I'm saying a quino, a seneco from Nintino. Ebiana, and young one was our quino so. There are many vehicles. To say, Usania, slow down, said a bear, accidentally no, Ukano, Enko Bo, Castle winning. No, what you say? To the shazer. And now, I never acquire. Yes, to say. Now, and Randy say, you can't say the shazer, downhiller. Now, overtaking, possible on the shazer. Hello? Say, one of the shazer swa. When him ega ho clear. To say the shazer no. Say aye sensu unico. And answer doppio sensu circolazione. And randomly overtaking possible. Okay. Say so channel so. On the shazer no. Sorpasso è consentito. Se usanea when him nyina da ho. Bibia clear to overtaking possible. E wo the shazer. Say kwan ye sensu unico. Say doppio overtaking possible. Se do salita no so a and so no metro the man can but who say usania wonim da ho say kwan one way circulation and also two way circulation overtaking possible on the shazer. What you say and abio emran say usania but modern say obey use the low gs metere marche basi say ujiano fatu logia. Now, any logia the second and the third year. Per non surriscadare I freni. Adentina, I was say we use logias. Serabia, overheaty brakes no. Unim say trika. The more we tear braking no. Now the more brakes no, they are getting overheated. And now brakes no, hit it to a certain level after the break na be feeling. It is a usania. When is a usania? Okano, and I say a coast speed. Also, person be coast speed. And the oil say break na utiaso. But Emran say, and them say usania no. But money say we use low GS because of say we use low GS now. Engine no, it will be a freno motor. The moment I use low GS no, that braking system that we engine no, the activity na abo mo car no ako slow. Say ko ba so person we dinanka sa, uti a braking so ano, na car no in a way na estimate na bokwa ma. Be say usane na say ogia no at the high gear to say 4th gear, 5th gear. Freno motor no enye adwuma ti se obeso odina de obeya ne se obetia o brake ni so na usane a o kan eco speed nti no use brake too much a brake no ebe hiti he to do level bi afi no be felu ntimi stop kan bio nti se wo downhill so a metere marche basi use low gears either the second gear or the third gear say the bia non suriskadari freni e ka suriskadari chese heating. And I say overheating. Say that be a overheating or break no. And I you. And I'm say you what downhill into no. Our mentire la distance di sicurezza. There be a bomadi say ube live gap. Cars no one no. Bomadi say be my distance. Because on the shades are no. There's a force of gravity at EPA or can into no. They be on the shades as well. And as a can a coast speed. The bomadi say the space now a walk. Kind of no, be increased accidentally no. If something must happen, you have the space to stop without crashing the vehicle in front of you. What does it? And I will say, vietato file la discesa in fall. The sooner marcha. Now, very strange. Say, driver simple say omo air drive through downhill. Omo do omo gia no she neutral. Very strange. Obu ha the engine no can odum no. Now the gear na she neutral. And the control be say almost say we any say no a fuel no. Who save some fuel. Who say o spark engine na engine ye adwuma na twe o petrol no de ye adwuma. Tinam say wo the shazer no tino. There will be a force to push your car into no. Any be adwuma engine say there be a engine enye adwuma e ma enchi petrol no. Na gear no da she neutral. We any say no a ayi braking system no enye adwuma papa. Yeah, braking system no. Say e say ye adwuma come on, this engine is so. Ti say o ka say o be say o save fuel. Enti wadum engine no. Wo de gear no so she neutral. Na say wo de as uti free. Aha. Wo de free na wo ti a. Wo try ni na say e bia bibi wo wanim. Na ba say umia braking so a. Brake na uti aso a. E we na ren say e bo bet nam say engine edum na ugia no she neutral nti no. And respond very well. Ti say wo try ni ya. Na say ka bia say so wo de behwum. And I say bibi wo ha wo de bebom. Wontimi ndoje because speed na na no den. Wodum ja. Wo so a ugia no so she neutral nti no. Na say wo de ye nkonko a there be enkwalisa. To say vietato file the chaser. We are forbidden to go through downhill with folly. A neutral, just say, we enshage bia, untimi consider be. Oh, my Jan is so. Now, Jan, fashion that second or 10. Say that be our person now. The way to imagine it easy. Now, for Yemra, your last signal, na your quiz kakram. Your Salita Rapida, and I Salita Rapida, a pet. They say, oh, fro people, tiny phone so a dangerous. A hunting was a percentage in ewo a short chain 10 into Salita. Yantino, every 100 meters piano, a quane emupija 10 meters. To a Salita, pericolosa, and I say Rapida. A 150 metri, Chewuna Salita pericolosa, to a catch say. A quine wire, Ephrono, ehun tiahui. Da pedenza, the 10%. They say the slope in 10%. Say every 100 meters biano ekwan no emu pija 10 meters. Now yemra overtaking so now emra say ofra ekoba se ekwan no ye sense wu ni kwa. Now e ka se sense wu ni kwa kwan ni de e kire say cars na okwan so no omo nyina mo ko be faako. They are going to the same direction. Then say ekwan no ye sense wu ni ko. Na say salita overtaking air possible. Esan say ofra say na onhu anim. Benam say cars ni na echo one direction into no. Unim say no vehicle will face you. Even if say unhu anim kra no a, but taking air possible. E was salita so air sense uniko. Rekoba say a double sense with 2 lanes there on salita yanye overtaking. It is said dorso. Also dorso salita the chaser. Into when the salita no, if the road is two-way circulation with only 2 lanes are on a salita in overtaking. So I say car be a face what salita in suntino till even now we overtaking that moment na keep you air bar. There will be an accident. There's a one-way circulation there on salita no for taking air possible. Okay. And also say no say ko ba say fro but modern say GS no o be share low GS second year and also third year say the be a ejan enu because fro ho most the engine no ebre ansa na twe car no say ko ba say o de share be for na FIFA na say o can extra go abon say once ejan create me dum enti no but modern say wo sani o say fro o de be share low GS second and third year and one thing say and also say no but modern say ube increase we safety distance fra but modern say men can na ewo wonim too much say be ko ba say asem kan na wonim no ni break e faili and as be happiness e tie abanachi a that's your space na mo a ube hu ni ntem no wetimi adoje na wo ben too much na say be happy a or be hit you back what you say now. Was in salita lo spazio di frenatura del veicolo diminuisce. Or say on uphill no the braking space reduces. Also what should I say? Now I'm some question back now you call a quiz so you find say you 2 cars. What you say? Baku salita so off-road. And baku so the shades as well osane. The question is say so mummy no kase omu 8 year on break ni so a why na obesto why no be na first the off-road and I say the osane so fancy you 2 vehicles 2 cars baku enam salita ena baku nam the chaser si omu kase omu nyina omu tia omu break ni so at the same time as stop wa why na be stop first the was salita so na say the old the chaser so no. But the question is, muda kakra. Emu de wo hin na obegina first. De wo salita so no. Yeah. Because of say ofra, won say nam say ofru nti no. O kan no o struggle. E di say wutia break no so a enchi ne o kan agina. Be say wo sane a force bi pia o kan no. Na kwa say speed about kan mu. Di say wutia break no so a do o kan be gina. But wo dey compare the wo salita so a the shades an obe chance ni wogina. Di say kase spazio di frenatura e chere braking space. Ti wutia break no so a time kan be gina. And say wo salita so a o braking space no eswa. Next is a chain the shades an near no cresa. Yeah. What you say the cresa. Chafi mumenye sam quizzes kakra. Now the first question was say le luci rosse accese lampeggianti in figura obbligano ad arrestarsi a un passaggio a livello ferroviario senza barriere, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. Question is the red flashing light figure, it obliges us to stop at a train level passage without barriers. And the answer to this question is vero. When say we use word we have, we say ferroviario. You can say ferroviario. You are talking about train. The train crossing, no, passaggio a livello. And now, the sensor barrier, no, two red flashing light. And the same barrier, no. In the nucleus, this red flashing light, no, it obliges us to stop at a train crossing without barriers. And the answer to this question is vero. Once the lessons, no, okasafa passaggio a livello, ekasafa train ho. Ferroviario is a train. There's some ways go ha. We make sure they are tricky, but they're very simple. The answer to this question is vero. Red light na air flash no. Air force ye, and I say impulse and say, yenina, ewo, train crossing na essence barriere. Na true, sir. Our next question. Il segnale raffigurato si trova prima del segnale verticale, doppia croce di Sant'Andrea, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that this sign figure, it is found before the vertical signal of St. Cross Andrews. It is false because signal we know it indicates either passaggio a livello con barriere and answer con semi barriere. And the whole barriere no, it need St. Andrews Cross no. St. Andrews Cross no, ube hunu baby ewo sense barriere no nko. And the question is say, sa signal we no, ube hu no ansa na wahu St. Andrews Cross a false no. Barriere semi barriere any Andrews Cross no. Since barriere no, eno nkwa na wo. The answer to this question is false. Il segnale raffigurato preannuncia un attraversamento ferroviario a livello senza barriere, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. The question says that this sign figure announcing a train crossing of a level passage without barriers. And the answer to this question is vero. Question is this sign no bon kai say and I say catch you say you will train crossing any barriers. Na no cresa yeah we no get any barriers no. The answer to this question is vero. Il segnale raffigurato indica che la linea ferroviaria ha più di un binario, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. Question is, this sign figure indicates that the train tracks is more than one. And it is true because we say we draw and as we show to St. Andrew's Cross. And the catch will say passenger level no train tracks no more than one. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5 or etc. And in any case, double na it say train track no more than one. The answer to this question is vero. Avvicinandosi ad un passaggio a livello con luci rosse accese e semibarriera ancora alzata, è possibile attraversare i binari se non vi sono altri veicoli in attesa, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that getting close to a level passage with the red light on, whilst the semi-barriers is still uplifted, it is possible to cross the tracks if there are no vehicles waiting. It is false. The question is say, oh, ben level passenger, red light no aswa. Na say barriers no still no ano e wo soro a enya enclose kwan no a. Wo on kwan say ubetwam. Say car bi ani ho a etwen a false. Because the first thing na obehu say red light need cancel. Na fi barriers no ablock kwan no. Once obehu red light nsa aso no, say barrier no say e da so slow, say close o. Won say red light na so pa e wo say ojina. Say car bi ani ho a ejina, you are the first car over there. Ojina. So far as you will see the luci rossi accese no there, e wo say ojina. Untimi ntwam into a force. I pannelli raffigurati indicano lavori in corso, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question is that these panels, they are indicating work in progress. No. Panel we enter say ejuma air course. There be the distance aka ubedru train track no so. That's a junction no so. Il pannello con 3 barre rosse è posto sotto il segnale B, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. Because the panel with the 3 red lines, it is found under this signal, the B, and it is true. Because 150, 150, and a boom. Yeah, a boom. In presenza del segnale raffigurato, Se il veicolo si ferma per avaria sui binari, il conducente deve adottare ogni iniziativa utile al fine di evitare incidenti. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. The question says that in the presence of this sign figure, if your vehicle stops or remains because there's a fault, okay, your vehicle remains on the binary, the driver must adapt any initiative useful to avoid accident. And it is true. It's a who saw signal we are. What I say? A child say, passaggio level no. Either say a con barriere, another same barriere. A coba say, oh, trim. Now, so can say AC binary this one. As a driver, I was say about whom more be say at least we prevent accident. How can you do that? I was say open for Bob one. Namu pia can you free. The answer to this question is vero. Avvicinandosi ad un passaggio a livello, con luci rosse accese e semibarriera ancora alzata, si può passare velocemente se non si vede sopraggiungere il treno. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that getting close to a level passage with the red light on, whilst the semi-barrier is still uplifted, we can pass immediately or we can pass very fast if we don't see any train approaching, and it is false. So who drew level passage? Now say red light now so question is say now say barrier no still no enclose kwan no a ebetime twam ntem say train bia ma ya there be wontimi twam once a red light na so no dey e will say ugina. In presenza del segnale raffigurato è obbligatorio fermarsi prima dei binari se le segnalazioni luminose o acustiche non sono in funzione. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that in the presence of this certificate, it is compulsory to stop before the train track if the luminous signals, you can say segnalazione luminosa, you can traffic light no. So if the luminous signals and answer acoustic signal no, I say did and answer sound no, say if it is not in functional, it will say no. So Odru Junction. So that's a red light in so yeah. Question is say by force will say no, you don't have to stop. You will stop if the red light is on. In presenza del segnale raffigurato, il tram fermo per la salita e la discesa dei passeggeri può essere sorpassato a destra quando non esiste il salvagente. Vero o falso? In presenza del segnale raffigurato, il tram fermo per la salita e la discesa dei passeggeri può essere sorpassato a destra quando non esiste il salvagente. Vero o falso, guys? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that in the presence of this sign figure, a tram stopping to pick or to drop passengers can be overtaken on the right if there's no shelter. It is false. Say tram agent say a pick and answer a drop passengers are. That's a subagente anywhere. Question is say which one overtaken on the right? It is false. There be untimi. So over to me dia just say subagente ewo anywhere dia untimi. The answer to this question is false. So say untimi overtaken. All right, said subagente anywhere. Il pannello con 3 barre obbligue. Rossi è il primo dei pannelli che si incontra quando ci si approssima ad un passaggio a livello. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. Now, the panel with the 3 oblique lines, the red lines, is the first panel we are going to meet when we are getting to the level passage. It is true, because the first one is the 150 meters. And ubehu, in attachment with the general signal. That's the first signal, ubehu with the normal one. Now, if you want with the 100 meters, the last one is the 50. So the first one is the panel with the 3 red oblique lines. Il segnale raffigurato è posto nelle immediate vicinanze di un attraversamento ferroviario senza barriere. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero, guys. Yeah, this certificate is found immediately close to the level passage without barriers, and it is true. Yeah, we crossing the Santa Andrea, we know very close to the train track without barriers. Na è vero. Il segnale raffigurato preannuncia un passaggio a livello ferroviario senza barriere. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that this certificate announces a train passage without barriers is false. No. When a passaggio a livello, where attraversamento tranviario, where tram crossing, and yet train crossing, where tram crossing. The answer to this question is false. Il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza delle strisce dell'attraversamento ciclabile. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. This certificate is found in the correspondency of where we have the cyclist crossing. Yeah. Chisa signal we know cyclist crossing no ehun chempe. Yeah. T. The case correspondency and say chempe. And the answer to this question is vero. In presenza del segnale raffigurato si deve rallentare usando continuamente i freni per non danneggiare il cambio di velocità. Vero o falso? Much question we na say is somehow tricky. And the answer to this question is false. The answer to this question is false. Now, question is, in the presence of this sign figure, we must slow down by using continuously the brakes. Attenzione. Attenzione. Signal we aid the chaser. Or say, we must slow down. And how are we going to slow down? Or say, by using continuously the brakes so that we will not damage the gearbox. When we say cambio the velocity and the gearbox, air force. Now, because I'm trying to say, oh, now downhill swap. And the crazy will say slow down. How will you slow down? You will slow down by putting the gear in the low gear, not by using continuously the braking system. Because the more we use brakes, now brakes air overheated. A hit it to a level a bed falling. I say be feel. Pachamo. Hello, your question here, pa. Or say on sa signal we are. See David Rarentare. I will say you slow down. Usando. Let's say you slow down by using continuously the brakes. It is false. No. They also slow down. But it is not by using the brakes continuously. You slow down by putting the gear in a low gear. Because all the two second and third gear, they will be more engine engine brake. And when the Buama car begin to slow down, that's what we say. Would tear brake so engine. They say we slow down, down his war. You see brakes continuously. Name would the gear to low gear, won't say Honwano. Now can I shall say slow down. Pachamuti as here. Hello, please, are you there? The answer to this question is false. Question A, very tricky. False. They also slow down. But you for breaking the slow down. The low gears, To was say continuamente, which is false. Okay, you to ask kakra. In presenza del segnale raffigurato, si deve suonare il clacson se vi sono ciclisti che stanno attraversando sulle strisce. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that in the presence of this sign figure, we must horn our claxon if there are cyclists crossing on the cyclist crossing lanes. Guys, it is false. Say almost a signal we are. Question is say, I will say you bought a bano, egu cyclist why? No. Answer to this question is false. Il segnale raffigurato preannuncia un tratto di strada sul quale aumenta lo spazio di frenatura del veicolo. Vero o falso? The question we know a comparison with the salita and the discesa. Next, the question person say, so once a signal we are, once a way the chaser, until breaking space, a increase, and answer there be, guys, and the answer to this question is vero. The answer to this question is vero. Now, signal we the chaser, into who sign people. So who sign people are space are who here say obey now can. More than the was a little so. So the answer to this question is vero. What I say? Who's an idea? We breaking space, no? It increases, and it is true. Il segnale raffigurato è posto 150 metri prima di un attraversamento pedonale, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. Question is say this sign figure, it is found 150 meters before you get to the zebra crossing, and it is false. There be where your correspondence, where they see zebra crossing who pay 150. No, it's false. Il segnale raffigurato indica un'area riservata alla circolazione del ciclomotore, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that this sign figure indicates a reserved area for the circulation of motorbike. Guys, no. And the question is say, sa signal we know. Kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ area ya reserve ama ɛyɛ motors nkotoa ɛyɛ false. No. Ɛyɛ false. In presenza del segnale raffigurato, il conducente deve diminuire la distanza di sicurezza dal veicolo che lo precede, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. Guys, no question here. The answer to this question is false. Question is say, in the presence of this sign figure, a driver must reduce the safety distance from the vehicle in front of him. It's false. Because who sanya, and also we increase the safety distance. The same thing. Say who sanya or say who through, and also more gap. So reducing the year, it is easy to cause an accident. Into the answer to this question is false. Il segnale raffigurato richiede di inserire una marcia adeguatamente bassa, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero, guys. So this sign figure is requesting that we must put the low gears, of course, guys. So it's advisable. We have been recommended that when we are on the chaser, we must use adequately the low gears, and indeed it is. Il segnale raffigurato indica che bisogna dare la precedenza ai ciclisti che attraversano sulle strisce, vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. This sign figure indicates that we must give the right of way to cyclists crossing on the lines. The signal we say, I will say, your mark cyclists quite no mutual echo and cresa. Il segnale raffigurato comporta di moderare la velocità. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is vero. This sign figure says that we must moderate the speed. Yeah, and it is true, guys. We will decrease the periculoso intino. I will say you reduce your speed, you know. That's your moderating. In presenza del segnale raffigurato, si deve rallentare solo se vi sono bambini che attraversano sulle strisce pedonali. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that in the presence of this sign figure, we must only slow down if there are children crossing on the zebra crossing. Guys, no. And then say, you will say, will see slow down. So will be a chama, it will see slow down near ma or more the right of way. So me young crowd, so me pennyful, so me middle age, I will see Jinama or more. Our last question. Il segnale raffigurato, se di colore verde, è posto in autostrada. Vero o falso? And the answer to this question is false. The question says that this sign figure, if the color is green, then it is found in the motorway. It's almost a signal we know. The color is green there. No, so just any signal is motorway. So no, because motorway you need zebra crossing there or you can't see this signal in green color. No, it is false. God bless you. God bless you and God bless you. Please don't ever give up. This year is our year. And by the grace of God, we are going to make it, guys. We are going to make it. We shall make it at all cost because nessuno è nato imparato. No one was born learned. And with God, all things are possible. Therefore, the class, it is here. If it was so, and answer now will be free class, you will say, oh, wish you congratulations. Just wish yourself congratulations in advance because at all cost, we are going to make it. And my home congratulations. You prepare your home to be congratulated. And shall say my congratulations because you are going to make it. Tino, Yamisha Munina, Tino, Yebeseshia.